This video will compare solar and wind energy to help you determine which renewable power source is best suited for your needs. Solar energy uses photovoltaic cells to capture sunlight and generate direct current, which is then converted into alternating current by inverters for home use. Solar panels are advantageous as they lack moving parts. In contrast, wind energy captures motion. Moving air spins turbine blades, which turn a mechanical rotor. These rotors drive internal generators to produce electricity. Wind turbines, however, require mechanical components. Wind turbines typically achieve higher efficiency than solar panels. Solar panels reach 20 to 24% efficiency, while onshore wind converts 35 to 45% of energy, and offshore wind reaches 50 to 60%. Wind turbines also operate more frequently. Solar energy is predictable during daylight, with arrays achieving 15 to 25% capacity factors. Wind energy, especially offshore, can produce continuous day and night power with up to 60% capacity factors. For residential markets, solar systems often dominate due to lower annual maintenance costs and faster payback periods of 5 to 10 years, compared to wind's 6 to 30 years. At the utility scale, solar construction costs are lower, averaging $691 per kilowatt. However, wind power offers a lower levelized cost of energy, delivering power at $0.034 per kilowatt-hour, compared to solar's $0.043 per kilowatt-hour. Both solar and wind technologies support agricultural integration. Solar farms, using up to 10 acres per megawatt, allow for agrivoltaics and crops under the panels. Wind farms require more space, up to 60 acres per megawatt, but turbine spacing permits dual land use. In terms of carbon, wind emits less CO2 over its life cycle. However, wind turbines generate noise, and their blades can impact birds and bats. Solar panels produce minimal noise and generally avoid wildlife impact. Geography is key to optimal technology. Solar fits residential and urban areas by leveraging existing rooftops. Wind fits rural spaces and coastal areas, requiring consistent winds above 12 miles per hour. The electric grid requires both technologies for stabilization. Solar power peaks during the day and in the summer, while wind power peaks at night and in the winter. Combined, they ensure a stable energy supply. Storage solutions, like battery banks, maximize renewable energy by capturing peak generation. Both solar and wind support sustainable energy goals and reduce carbon emissions, guaranteeing grid stability when used together.